What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a couple weeks, but got the Nova back out of the shop. Had to be tuned up and needed a couple items done on it that I was struggling with. I had 20s on the back and 18s on the front. I went back to 18s on the back, looks real good. And then I went to 18s on the front, but a 40 series, so it wouldn't rub and got a better look. So you see the space that we have on both of those. I think that's good. Things cleaned up real nice, not rubbing. I showed you my tinted windows. The thing that I want you to really see is that went in and had to do some front end work. And thanks to the Hot Rod Shop, they came in and put some new springs, and you can't see them right now, but put some new springs into the car. It was making a horrible noise up front when I was driving. I was concerned about that. And before they had put some spacers in there, and those spacers were moving around, and it caused some issues. Changed from just a regular fan to a electric fan. Keeps it cooler. Changed from a chrome air filter or breather to a Chevrolet with a bow tie on it. I'm all about blacking out. I'm not a big fan of chrome, even though I know that I got some chrome in there. More of a fan of that black, dark gray color. Here's the tires on this side. And it's really just, it's coming along. Of course, the inside, RPMs are working now. Gauges, radio, everything's working now. And that's the F-150 that I've been working on. I only paid $1,500 for that. And I'll show you the before pictures once I show that. And so you can see in the back where the tinted windows are. Everything's looking good. We're gonna crank it up in a minute and take it around the block and get it started. We're gonna crank it up. Want you to hear it, how it sounds. See, the leaf spring's been changed out too. $287 right now. Got a good ride.